The following video is about to demonstrate vDirect integration with Kubernetes. First, log in to vDirect and check that ADC is configured. On vDirect, install cap package. vDirect is restarting after the installation. After the restart, log in again to vDirect. Check that the plugin installed workflow templates, and create Kubernetes credentials workflow. All the parameters for the workflow are in .kube/config file on the kube master. Check the workflow created and state configured. Pull demo app Docker image. Create YAML file for the new service. Get Kubernetes cluster info, and check there are no pods running. Create a deployment, and expose it. Check that the service created, and the pod is running. Once a new service created, a notification will pop up in vDirect. In this demo, we will use kube app veep workflow. Select Altion to configure. List services in our Kubernetes cluster. You can see that our service is not published. Now we will add veep to the service. Fill in the parameters. Choose the service and load balancing metric. Add veep, peep, protocol, and port. Check you can access the web page in the veep we created. Veep and reel created automatically on the Altion. Now we will scale up the service. Wait until all the pods are in running status. A new reel added automatically to the Altion. Delete the service and the pods. Wait until the pods will be deleted. All the configuration was cleaned up from the Altion. Thank you for watching.